Beginning with another video. Today I am giving you a little vloggy vlog slash DIY with me. So before we can start this video, I want you guys to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I post videos, and let's get to it. So first up, what I want to do for my mornings, I usually eat something healthy. But lately I've been eating junk food, so now I'm eating healthy again. So I'm gonna go start off with my favorite food of the day is smoothies. Yes, I love me some smoothies, especially berry smoothies. Like they're like my favorite, and tropical smoothies. So I'm gonna be making me a tropical slash berry smoothie. So I'm gonna also add in some what's this called? Not tangerine, grapefruit. Yeah, I'm gonna add some grapefruits to help with your system, help with your colons and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that, and I'm gonna give it to all my family so they can have some, and also we can all be eating healthy together as family, because we're gonna be doing some workouts. I know me, I don't like to work out or exercise. I always hated that, but since I've been like, I want to be supportive and help, because my mom, she's starting to work out and stuff. So I'm like, I said, shoot, I might as well start working out, and it also helps with, that one time of the month of girls, and when you have that period cycle, so like you need to like exercise and like work your body out. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But as I was working out, I had this notification because I'm subscribed to Beyonce's channel. And once I tell you, I found out she had like released a Ivy Parc clothing brand, and I seen this one thing I love so much, a bucket hat. So I'm gonna let my future Kpcutie take over. So take over, Kp. Hey kitties, it's your guy Kpcutie with another video. Today I am inspired. I seen this beautiful, awesome hat that is from Ivy Parc's ADIDAS collection, and let me tell you right now, I was not a big fan of bucket hats, but when I seen this hat, I'm like, I have to make this or get this. And when I went to the store online, it was, guess what, sold out. So I'm like, okay, this is a sign for me to go ahead and make my own. So I'm gonna make my own Ivy Parc. Before we get into this video, guys, I want you guys to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and also go follow all my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first up, here's the things you're gonna need for this DIY. You're gonna need a poster board, scissors. You're going to need cotton fabric, you're going to need your measuring tape, you're going to need some sewing scissors, and you're going to need interfacing fabric. And also forgot to add this part in, you're going to need some lining fabric. So you can have, like, if you're going to do this like a reversible one, you can use both your cotton fabric, or you can just use lining fabric to just finish it off. So first up, what you're going to do is measure your poster board. You're going to measure 7 inches down and up. And once you do that, you're going to make a little circle or a half circle. Now, kitties, you're going to measure 3 inches and 3.5 inches from their your poster board, and make sure that the 0.5 is overlapping your other line that you had made before, like as you see. And before I get, guys, go check out Gracie's Stitches, where she had the whole tutorial on how to make the eye follow along, so you guys don't have to do step by step from me. You can go over to her channel and check out her video, because that's where I got my thing from. So it's okay to go ahead and use patterns from someone else. So yeah, go check her out, where she has explained everything, the details of the measurements of how to make this hat. Okay, kids, now you're gonna lay your fabric out. You're gonna make sure you end up cutting each, like you're gonna cut 2 pieces of your brim, and you're gonna 2 pieces of your base, and then you're gonna cut 1 pieces for the top part, and you're gonna do the same thing for your lining fabric. And once you do that, you can also cut your interface fabric for both your cotton fabric. And once you do that, you're gonna end up going to go ahead and iron on the interfacings to your cotton fabric so you can make it more sturdy, so it can be like not flimsy but more sturdy bucket hat, as I'm trying to look for. If you don't want to do that, you can just skip this part and just go ahead and start like pinning in the base. You're gonna pin your base together and also gonna pin your brim together, and then you're gonna go ahead and sew both your lining and your base fabric. Well, not base fabric, your cotton fabric. Then you're gonna sew that up. Once you finish sewing, then we can get on to the next step. which is like not even half an inch. Well, no, not half a centimeter, a half inch, which is actually 1 centimeter to the hat. And when you measure that much, you end up going to go sew on exactly that line, and you're going to sew all around the hat. Make sure everything is nice and tight. So make sure you take your time doing this part too, because that's where you're going to give it the actual bucket hat look that you're trying to go for. So make sure you do this right, and just go ahead and sew that all the way up to the top of the hat, of the brim. And once you finish with that, then we can get started making the chain part, which I'm so excited. So be right back. Okay, oh sorry, started screaming guys' ears. Okay, keys, time is for you guys to make the little loops of how to connect the chain part, which I use an old chain that my brother had for in his room, and I ended up just taking it and using it for this part. So make sure you sew 2 loops on each corner of the sides of your hat, and once you finish with that, you're just gonna head up, clip your chain to the hat, and bada bing bada boom, you are which is finished with your hat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I post a video, and go follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And yeah, that's it for this video, kids. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.